June 8, 2023, OceanGate launched a commercial mission to the Titanic wreck using its submersible, Titan. Welcome to Hazel, Eleanor. 90 minutes later, it was over. Under extreme deep-sea pressure, Titan's carbon fiber hull catastrophically imploded. 5 people were killed instantly. 2 years later, the U.S. Coast Guard released a 335-page investigation report. Its conclusion was blunt. This disaster was preventable. According to the report, OceanGate deliberately ignored modern engineering and safety protocols. Operating manuals were incomplete. Testing methods were unsafe. And despite earlier warning signs, the submersible was kept in service. Titan's hull was made of carbon fiber, a material never proven for deep-sea human submersibles. Experts had warned that under repeated pressure cycles, carbon fiber delaminates and weakens. OceanGate ignored those warnings. During 2021 and 2022 dives, cracking sounds were recorded inside the hull. No mission was halted, no full structural inspection was done. Former OceanGate consultant Rob McCallum stated, "It was mathematically certain that Titan would fail. The only unknown was when." OceanGate's CEO Stockton Rush was not just the pilot, he was also the lead engineer and safety authority. No independent oversight, no checks and balances. Power concentrated in one person, and that became the fatal flaw. The report goes as far as saying that criminal charges would have been recommended had Rush survived. Russia openly believed that certification slows innovation. As a result, Titan was intentionally kept out of any recognized safety certification process. Inside the company, raising safety concerns was discouraged. Employees who questioned risks were ignored or fired. In 2018, OceanGate's director of operations was dismissed simply for submitting a safety report. Despite being marketed as cutting-edge technology, Titan was controlled using a modified PlayStation controller. Deep-sea operation manuals totaled just 4 pages. Communication with the surface ship was handled through delayed text messages. While real-time voice communication, the industry standard was rejected to cut costs. Investigators also uncovered severe financial distress. Staffing was reduced. Experienced engineers left. Complex systems were placed in the hands of underqualified teams. A former director described the project as a high school science project with high-stakes consequences. The Titan tragedy was not just a technical failure. It was a leadership failure, a system failure, and above all, a failure of human arrogance. Stockton Rush once said, "At some point, safety is just a waste." This time, that mindset didn't lead to innovation. It led to 5 deaths in the dark of the Atlantic Ocean. And if the world doesn't learn from this report, the next Titan will appear somewhere else under a different name, built by another man convinced that rules don't apply to him.